Good morning, class 5th. Today is 17 July 2020. Day is Friday and we are going to revise our chapter 1. The topic is rounding of numbers. Right? So what you have to do, we already done this chapter. Now we are just doing revision. You have to recall what we have learned previously. So rounding of number. Read the following facts and find the meaning of the underlying words. 2011 census. There are roughly 56 crore literate people in India out of an estimate 120 crore people. Right? So 120 crore people में से how many people are literate? 56 crore. So you can do round off that number and roughly you can estimate it, that how to do it. So you should know it that if a number, as I have already told you, if a number is greater than 5, right, if I am going from 0 to 10 and doing round off, then if the number is greater than 5, you will jump to that number, and if the number is less than 5, then you will jump towards your left side. Now what if you have 1 2 3 4, if you have number till 4, then what you will do, you will do round off from your extreme left, and if it is the number is 6 7 8 9, then what you will do, you will jump towards your right side number. So what happened in that case, if you have a number 9 or if you have a number greater than 5, then you, in one's place, maybe whatever number it is, let's suppose 8 3 5 4 1 5 is the number, right? Now you want to round off it, so 0 0 0 0, you have to see this number, is this greater than 5 or smaller than 5? Yes, it is smaller than 5. So what you will do, it will not affect your this number, you will keep this number same and this number will remain same. So this is your round off of this number. Now if the number is 8 6 5 4 1 5, right, so 6 is greater than 5, then what you will do, you have to put 0 0 0 0, and this number will become successor of this number, means you have to add 1 in this number and you will get the round off of this number, right? So now same you will do, now same you have to do with the another numbers. This is the example, and you have, if you will revise your exercise 1.4, you will get the answers, right? Which one is greater, you have to do this in your book only, this also you have to do in your book only, this one also you have to do in your book only. Now comes to the Roman numerals, right? What is Roman numerals? You have learned this in class 3rd also, in 4th also, and now it is in 5th class also. So there is some, these are called Roman numerals, and these are defined, right? This is 1, and this symbol defines, this symbol represent 5, this symbol represent 10, this symbol represent 50, this is 100, this is 500, and this is 1000, right? So what you will do, you have to learn this by heart and then only you can able to make the another numbers, right? Like if I have already told you that if you have a Roman number, there is some rule, like if you have 1, then 1 2, then 1 2 3, then to write 4 you can't write 1 2 3 4, no, this is wrong. What you have to do, 1 only can go up to the 3 numbers, right? To make 4, you have to, what you have to do, 5 minus 1 is equals to 4, right? So what you will do, 5 and 1, you have to minus 1, and if you are doing, if you are minus, if you are subtracting something, you will put that number, this one number, in the extreme left side, right? And you are getting this 4. Now if you have this 5 and if you have this 5 and you want to add something on it, what you will do, you have to add 1 in it and you will get 6 as your answer, right? So for to make 6 7 8, what you will do, you will put 1 1 7 1 3 8. But now again, if you want to make 9, what you will do, to make 9 you can't make 4 lines, you have to subtract 1 from 10 and you will get 9. And to make this 9, as you know that 10 is representing this number, so 10 is x, and as I told you, if you want to subtract something, you have to put this one here. So this is your 9, right? Now do this exercise and you have to do revision work as your homework. Already we have done exercise. You have to do revision exercise in book only, right? Already you have, if you have completed, then do related to that sums, take some examples, take some other number and do it in your copy, or do practice of that exercise, right? Till then, take care.